Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you what is inside my Pandora's box for the month of June. Yay! I am really excited to see what kind of indie goodies we got for this month. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I am a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you can check out. So my Pandora's box is in, and I am so excited to show you guys what I got for the month of June and what indie brands are in here. So let's just go ahead and dive on in. Okay, before we get into the unboxing of the box, there are a couple things that the owner, Amy, wanted me to touch with you guys on. She did want to apologize for this bag going out so late. There was a problem with one of the vendors, and one of their products came in late, so therefore, when the products come in late, the bag goes out late. So she did want to apologize, and they did extend the pre-orders for July's bag to the 20th of this month. So you have until June 20th to pre-order July's bag. The next thing I want to talk about is a nice little contest slash thank you from the owner that she has going on from now until I do believe it's the October bag. As a way of saying thank you to all of you guys out there. As you guys know, they do have the mailer that they put the bag in each month, but they package it in a separate little baggie, as you guys have seen on my channel. Now, from now until October's pre-order, which would be September, there will be 10 orders that are packed in a Halloween themed bag. So if you happen to be one of those 10, then you will email Pandora's box and you will get a 5 to 10 off your next Pandora's box purchase. So say you got a Halloween themed bag for June. What you will do is you will email the Pandora's box team on Etsy or on Instagram and let them know, hey, I got a Halloween themed bag, and they will give you a $5 to $10 off coupon for your next purchase, whether it be for July, August, or September, or October. I do believe October's thrown in there as well. So yeah, if you got that bag, make sure you send their email. You can contact them through Etsy or Instagram. I have all their information down in the description box for you. So let's go ahead and get into this bag. Okay, as you guys know, with every month of Pandora's box, I do have my information set up on my tablet down here. So I am going to be looking down here to read the information. Their monthly theme is empowering women through history. This month's sub-theme is dedicated to the awesome female characters from science fiction. That is really, really cool. I'm not a really big sci-fi fan, but I wanted to get this bag because I know I do have some of you family members out there that do like sci-fi, and that we get to see what kind of products these brands gave out and how they incorporated sci-fi through makeup and cosmetics and beauty. It's great. I love it. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what's inside the bag. All right, here's the little bag. Oh, I'm so excited. Go ahead and open her up. Let's go ahead and see what we got first. Ooh, we got something from Cosmetix. I love how she puts a piece of candy in the bag every month. We got a 20-gram jar of a loose highlighter in the shade Joan. That looks nice. Let's go ahead and open her up and swatch this. It doesn't have a sifter in it, which is okay. I'm trying not to spill it. You guys know my history of spilling stuff on this channel is strong. Ooh, that is pretty. I got a little too much on my finger. That's real pretty. It's a nice subtle gold. That will look nice on like every skin tone. That is gorgeous. All right, let's see what it says here. Oh, this one's not listed, so it's actually a bonus item. That is pretty cool. I'm super stoked over that. Yay, bonus item. Okay, let's see what we got next. Okay, from Wake the Dead Scrubs, we got a Cooling Tea Tree Clay Mask. And it is in the style Juvia. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, I am like lucking out because this is a bonus item as well. That is pretty cool. That is really, really cool. All right, let's see what we got next. Let's see if we got any more bonus stuff. Okay, from Psyche Minerals, it looks like we have a loose pigment in the shade Ayla. All right, let's give her a little swatch. Ooh, that is pretty. That is a nice, pretty blue. I like that. From Psyche Minerals, a mini shadow in honor of Ayla Secura. Of course, we couldn't have a sci-fi inspired edition without including Star Wars. With an athletic build and exotic beauty and blue skin, Ayla Secura stood out among the many faces of the Jedi ranks. A cunning warrior and Jedi Knight during the rise of the Clone Wars, Ayla fought alongside Clone Commander Bly on many exotic battlefields. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see what we got next. Okay, I got a sticker from Fair Beauty. You guys know I love stickers. I love putting them. I don't know what that noise was. You know I love putting them on my makeup cart behind me. All right, this is from Fair Beauty. It looks like a pressed shadow in the shade Ripley. Ooh, that is pretty. That is a nice, pretty green. Let's go and give it a little swatchy swatch. Ooh, that is nice. It's got a little yellow shift to it. From Fair Beauty Cosmetics, a pressed shadow in honor of Ellen Ripley, often referred to simply as Ripley, is a fictional character and protagonist of the Alien film series played by American actor Sigourney Weaver. The character earned Weaver world recognition, and the role remains her most famous to date. Ridley Scott, director of the first film in the series, made the decision to switch Ripley from the standard male action hero to a heroine, and I think we are all grateful for that decision. I have not heard of Fair Beauty Cosmetics before, so I'm pretty stoked to try this out. That's one thing that I really like about Pandora's box is that they bring in a lot of indie brands, not just ones that they work with regularly, but they bring in new indie brands each month for people to try out, and I think that's great. Okay, let's see what we got next. Ooh, we got a shimmer lip tint from Twisted Wonderland Perfumery, and this is in the shade Detective Decker. Okay, it says, from Twisted Wonderland Perfumery, a full-size lip balm in honor of Detective Decker. The show Lucifer has taken Netflix by storm. Yes, it says on here, yes, I am totally addicted to the show. Detective Decker, Chloe, juggles working her cases, Lucifer's many antics, being a mom, and unbeknownst to her, being the one human on Earth put in Lucifer's path, making him vulnerable. That's pretty cool. Y'all know I love this brand. From Copacetic Cosmetics, we have a loose eyeshadow in the shade Tally. Actually looks more like a glitter to me. Yeah, that's what it is. It's a loose eyeshadow glitter. From Copacetic Cosmetics, we have a loose glitter in honor of Tally Youngblood. Uglies is a 2005 science fiction novel by Scott Westerfield. It is set in the future post scarcity dystopian world, bleh, that's a lot to say, in which everyone is considered an ugly, but then turned to pretty by extreme cosmetic surgery when they reach the age of 16. It tells the story of teenager Tally Youngblood, who rebels against society's enforced conformity after her friends Shay and David show her the downsides of becoming a pretty, even though it is obvious to most people. All right, let's see what we got next. There's a lot of stuff in this bag. This is the Rose Beauty Group, and it is a blur powder. It says we have randomly selected blur powders in honor, and this shade is in White Rose. It is in honor of Lieutenant Roberta Warren from Z Nation. Lieutenant Warren not only was a strong and courageous woman during the zombie apocalypse, but she is one character that I personally admired most. Though she is willing to make difficult decisions, she never lost all of her humanity. She commanded respect, put up with Murphy, and was a leader amongst devastation. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. It looks like it's just a translucent setting powder. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to try this out and see how it works on my face. Ooh, it's really soft and finely milled. That's nice. We got something from BTFE Cosmetics. You guys know I love me some beauty from the earth, and this is in the shade Sarah Connor. It's a highlighter. Let's give her a swatchy swatch. Ooh, yes. I am all for it. Like, get on my face. From Beauty from the Earth Cosmetics, a full-size shadow slash highlighter in honor of Sarah Connor. The character develops from a timid damsel in distress victim in the first film to a wanted fugitive committing acts of terrorism, and a hardened warrior and mother who sacrificed everything for her son's future and is on the verge of losing touch with her own humanity. In another timeline, she is a young, headstrong heroine determined to take control of her own destiny. In case you don't know, this is from the Terminator series. I knew that. We got two more items. Ooh, the first one is from Kristen Leigh Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Anne. Oh, that is pretty. That is super pretty. Okay, so this must be another bonus item because it's not listed on the email. I am like lucking out with bonus items this month. That's pretty cool. Hey guys, editing Melissa here. No, you can't see me because I look like a hot mess right now. But I'm not sure if the Kristen Leigh item was a bonus item or not, because it was listed on the promo on Pandora's Box's Instagram that she was supposed to be part of the box this month. It's just not listed in the email. So yeah, I wanted to throw that little tidbit in there. Okay, now back to Pandora's Box unboxing, Melissa. And the last item we got is from Notoriously Morbid. It is their Mystic Matte Lipstick in the shade Dana. Let's go ahead and swatch her. Ooh, that is pretty. That is super pretty. It's nice metallic. Yeah. From Notoriously Morbid, a mini Mystic Matte. It was designed by the Pandora's Box Beauty Unleashed Facebook group, which that is super awesome. You ladies did an amazing job. In honor of Dana Scully from the X-Files. Dana Catherine Scully is a fictional character in the Fox science fiction supernatural television series The X-Files, played by Gillian Anderson. Scully is an FBI agent and a medical doctor partnered with fellow special agent Fox Mulder. Dana not only brought the wonder of a borderline skeptic to the show, but the logic and grounding Mulder needed to effectively work the strange cases they received. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that is all that I got in my bag this month. I am like super stoked over these 3 bonus items I got. That's pretty cool. I am going to clean all this up, and then we are going to run down the prices and my final thoughts. Okay, as far as the 3 bonus items, I'm not sure what the prices are, so I am going to have to pop them in the description box down below. But yeah, that is really neat that I got 3 bonus items. I was not expecting that at all whatsoever. Pretty cool. The Beauty from the Earth Cosmetics. This is a full size, and it is $6.60. The Copacetic. Oh, here we go. The Copacetic glitter is, well, it says on here the pressed glitters are $6. I'm not sure if this is going to be the same or not, but it says retail for pressed glitters is $6. The Fair Beauty Cosmetics pressed shadow is $6. The Notoriously Morbid Mystic Matte is $5.50. The Psyche Minerals shadow is $6 for a full size. This is a mini size. So if you want a full size of it, it is $6. The Rose Beauty Group Blur Powder is $10. And the Twisted Wonderland Perfumery Balm is, I'm going to have to pop that in the bottom of the screen because it doesn't have it on the email. But if there are any discount codes that are associated with any of these, I will put them in the description bar. I don't have any for any of these brands, so they will not be mine. They belong to somebody else. But I will list them down below so you guys can save some money on these awesome products. The pre-order time for July's box has been extended to the 20th of this month, so you have until June 20th to order July's box. It will come out between the 1st and the 5th, depending on what days those run, and please keep in mind that it will be July 4th, so it may take a little time for it to actually get to you. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to pick up my glitter palette with Texas House of Glitters. We all know she is super pretty because she looks like this. Don't forget that these shades are exclusive to this palette only. So if you want to get on the glitter goodness that is Hubster, Mama, Sassy Pants, and Bad Squad, you're going to have to pick this bad boy up. This bad boy is almost out of stock. So make sure that you get yours while you can, because once it's gone, it's gone. I do have a discount code that you can save 15%, not only on my palette, but on any item from Texas House of Glitters, and it is right here at the bottom of the screen. I do not earn any money at all whatsoever with this discount code. It is just there for you guys to save some money. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though we mainly know I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Friday. Bye. I am super stoked. I got 3 bonus items. I was not expecting that. What? My videos are done. I am ready to call it a day after I edit them.